how to add Temu gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can add a Temu gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, applying a Temu gift card is different from applying a coupon code because the process is simply different and the codes are also different. And to do this, first of all, I want you to simply open up the Temu application here and make sure to add all of the products that you want to buy to your cart and then head to the checkout page. So you can just tap the cart option from the bottom right. As you can see, I've added a couple of options in the cart. Then I can just hit the checkout button here. Once I hit the checkout button, here it'll ask me did I forget anything, so I'm going to select continue to checkout. Make sure to enter your shipping details. Now normally if you wanted to add a promo code, you would need to go to apply coupon code here, but this is not how we redeem our gift card code. To redeem our gift card code, you can see there is an option such as gift card. So what do we do instead? What you have to do is you just need to select this option called card itself, as you can find here, and tap on add a new card. All you have to do is just make sure to enter your gift card number here, just like you would do with a normal debit Visa card and a debit credit card. You can just simply enter your card number over here. In this case, once you've entered the card details, it is going to be successfully redeemed by after tapping on the add to your card option here. Now you can also just select submit order, select continue to submit, enter your card details, and then you should be good to go from there on onwards. And this way you can go ahead and simply add a gift card on Temu. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.